Kasem jong kaseng NPP kala nangdap haba ka arpu ar tarik rymphang araja arpu ar la leit Rung so MLA myntri bat ulampang ka ying bar Barim jong jylla Martin Danggo. Ringkat baru Danggo la Rung lang ke MDC jong kaseng PDF na umsning ka kong nagdalin saw kami maulong bar kumjuru MDC CEM bat chairman Barim ka KGDC uba man study nong rem. La priang ngobha yaki ringkat ki nongbot jong ki do national president Ukonrad ki sangma National Vice President uba President Tinsong bar kiwe de kinong yalam kaseng NPP.
Whenever we work in politics, we must join a cause. There must be a purpose of why we are here. Political parties will allow you to achieve that purpose. Political parties will allow you or give you the platform that you need. But ultimately, we are here to do good for the people of our state. And we should all remember that that should be the driving force for each and every one of us. And that's why I'm happy today that people from different constituencies with a vast experience have today joined the cause of the National People's Party to take forward our state of Meghalaya and also to work together for the Northeast region and the country as a whole.
Haba kran hakani ke jelang ki rang ba ke NPP kila kop ba ke NPP kan le ba hakani ke election MLA araja arpulai ba danru ki bakop ba kinyo senchar hi marway hakani ke snem
ka commitment jungi ka yayat tenre ka bangikwa na kaleng ka party NPP bangin boy sa kathong bat kata kalong bangin duna ya kalai ku ar lai pulai si bangin yo hapo ka jylla mekla jungi